Hi, welcome to Embodia. This video will show you how to use our Superbills feature, available to all United States Tier 3 users. If you're one of our users outside of the United States, luckily you do not have to worry about Superbills. By default, the Superbills feature is not enabled on your account. To enable this feature, from the dashboard navigate to My Clinic, Billing Settings, General Settings. Check the Enable Superbills checkbox, and update your settings. Once the Superbills feature has been enabled on your account, you can start setting up your diagnosis codes and procedure codes. To do so, go to My Clinic, Billing Settings, and Superbill Settings. Set up your diagnosis codes in the first tab by clicking on New Diagnosis Code. You will then enter the code based on ICD-10 and add the diagnosis name. In the second tab, Procedures, add a new procedure code based on CPT. Add the code, name, unit price, and tax rate, if any taxes apply. The currency is automatically set based on your account. Procedure codes can easily be edited by clicking on the pencil located on the right side. You can delete procedure codes that have not been used on an invoice. In the third tab, you will see Service Defaults. These are the services that your practice provides. For any service you offer, you can add default procedures so that these procedures are automatically populated on an invoice when you see patients for a specific service. To add a default procedure, click on Add Procedure. Choose one of the procedures you added from the drop-down menu. Select the number of units, and click Submit. You can add more than one procedure for a service. In the last tab, you will find General Settings. By default, when a new Superbill is created, the diagnosis codes will be blank and will need to be specified. You can choose to enable automatic copying of diagnosis codes from previous Superbills, add custom text that will show up on the footer of all Superbills, and add your signature to the Superbill. To generate a Superbill from the patient invoice, click on the Manage Superbill Information link. This will create a new Superbill and apply the default procedures if provided. You can edit any default procedures that have been added to the invoice or add procedures. On the Superbill page, you can set the place of service, add diagnosis codes, add and modify procedure codes. You can send the Superbill and invoice to your patient by clicking on Email Invoice. This ends our brief tour of Superbills. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at support@embodiaapp.com.